And I'm Daryl Ponton. Thanks for joining me today. Today we got to do a little more work on that horse fence. Get the chain link stapled up. A few more 2x4s up if it's not too muddy over there. So I'll meet you guys down there. Some of this fence wire stapled up. So we'll get started on that. I'm using staples to put this on. It's a air-operated staple gun. We have a small generator out here in the field. It's just too long for extension cord. Looks like the staples just go in. You pull this little lever back, and these just slide in, just like that. Push them ahead, and you just pull the trigger. Push it in. It's that simple. We're going to go to this northeast side and continue to put up some 2x4s for the framing of this fence. I got enough 2x4s up there. I'm gonna go grab another roll of the fence. Last amount we put up was 50 feet. I believe they come in 50 feet rolls. So I'm gonna go grab a couple more 2x4s, another roll of that, see if we can get another roll stapled up. Go to put your next piece of fence up, you're going to want to make sure this corner here, see how this is going like this, you're going to want it just like this here, going the opposite. So you're going to put another piece in there and join it together. I'll show you. But you have to have this part of the fence going this direction, and the next piece going the opposite. So when you join the other piece in there, it fills that gap in. Now here's where you connected them. You'll have to come back to the little pair of pliers and straighten this out. This way the top of this is even. If you don't start it like that, it's going to be off. You have to have the fence the opposite, like I showed you earlier. If you're going to put one of these fences up, I would suggest get one of these air guns, because I've tried to do it with the hand staples before. It just takes so long and so much more work. These air staplers are maybe around $100, you know. Small compressor will run them. It's really not that much cost to save you the headaches of trying to staple by hand. And screw on a couple more 2x4s so we can finish this out a little bit. I think that's where I'm going to stop at the fence today, 100 feet. It's getting pretty muddy out here. So I'm going to put up about 5 or 6 more 2x4s and probably wrap it up for the day. These fence videos probably ain't the most exciting, so I thought I'd at least take a few shots of the ponies and goats to give you a little something else to look at besides boring fence video. Well, I'm back at the shop now. I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today, and I want to thank everyone for joining me along on the adventure. I'll be posting future videos, so I'll be posting them in the next couple of days. So thank you for watching, and I'm Daryl Ponton, and catch you on the next one.